good showing in front of his kababayan.
James, asa na yun?
Okay, that just fixing the rack, making sure where he wants to be when he picks up the basketball. Because that's actually para kay James Yap, eh, no? Hardly any lift from the ground. Second rack. Habang nakikita nila on your screen, kinig-kinig yung bola. Oo. Pero ito nga kay James, eh. Parang rin kanina kay KG, yung focus niya nasa rim. Even look at the ball. Kasi nakamay ito si James Yap, eh, no? Oh, nawawala yung sa bola yun. Nakakuha na rin niya. That ball that didn't go to his hand. He has to recover right now.
Ay, wala. Kala tayo.
So far, ito, yung last one, ito ng konti problema makuha ka agad, eh. Take the money ball. Last run for James Yap.
Laki ng
Solid end. Oo, eh. Oh, but this ball. The money ball is in.
Isusubong kita.